So a very good morning dear students. In today's session we are going to start with typography chapter 3 and topic we are going to discuss that is ports and connectors. So what do you mean by port? Port is a part of computer system that will help to connect multiple types of devices. Ports and connectors are the tools that will help to connect a different types of or multiple types of devices with your computer system. In your computer system, if you see the backside of CPU, at backside of CPU, you are having a number of ports. You are having a number of options to connect the devices. These such ports are existing on a motherboard. It means it is the backside of motherboard that is displayed at the backside of CPU, and these all such connectors are known as devices and ports. These are known as ports that will help to connect input devices, that will help to connect output devices, that will help to connect printer, that will help to connect pen drive, that will help to connect your network interface card for internet, that will also help to connect your audio and video devices. So every type of port will perform the different type of functionality. In today's session we are going to start with ports and connector and different types. In this session we will study about 7 to 8 types of ports and connector. So let's start with session 1. First type it is serial port. Serial port is a older technology device. It means right now we are not using this concept. It is the older technology device, and this port provides the functionality to transfer 1 bit data in one time. It will help to transfer 1 bit of data in one time. And what is the use of serial port? It is used to connect mouse and keyboard. It is used to connect mouse and keyboard. In previous time, when computer came in market, a 9-pin connector was available. 9 pins connector. What is the structure of 9 pin? 2 layers were there, 2 lines were there. 5 pins were on the first row and 4 pins were on the second row. This type of port is known as serial port. In starting time, keyboard and mouse were having this type of connector and they were fixed in this type of port. That is known as serial port. Right now it is not in use because afterward latest technology device came. It is a slower technology device. Speed of transfer is very slow. It can transfer only 1 bit of data. Second type came in market, that was parallel. Parallel port specially is used for printer technology. Parallel port is used for printer technology. Parallel port is also available for keyboard and mouse. Parallel port can transfer data up to 8 bits in one time. It means it is approximately 8 times faster. It is 8 times faster than serial port. And it is also used for keyboard, mouse and printer, all types of connection. After coming the technology of serial and parallel, then a combined port came in market. That was third port. That was PS2. PS2. PS2 means parallel serial 2. What is the meaning of parallel serial? Either you are connecting parallel device, either you are connecting serial device. It can support both type of devices. And PS2 port can have structure of 6 pin. It was made of 6 pin. And what is the structure of PS2 port? It was in a circle shape. 5 pins were there in the form of hole, and 6th one was a plastic pin. Sixth pin was a plastic pin. And in each computer, if it will be present, there will be similar two port. Never single port will be there, it will be two. Why it is two? The reason is that one is occupied for mouse and one is for keyboard. That's why always two ports will be there if it is present in your keyboard or mouse, CPU. Either nothing will be there, otherwise two will be. That's why two is written here, PS2. A combination of two will be always present. After parallel, serial and PS2 port, then next connector came in market. That is known as IR port. That is known as IR port, or second name is infrared. IR port, we can write IR like this also, or we can write infrared. Infrared port was used for the purpose of transferring the data without using any wired signal. There was no any wire in between. It is a wireless type of port. And the best example of infrared is your TV remote. If you are looking at the structure of your TV remote, in front of TV, small glass is there. That glass will help to transfer data from remote to TV. The distance is covered by technology. That technology is known as infrared. It can cover approximately one room distance. It cannot cross the wall. If TV is outside the wall, it cannot work properly because its range is approximately 5 meters. And it can cover a small wall in which there will be no any boundary, there will be no any wall, then it can work. That is infrared. After fifth type of port came, that was Bluetooth. The range of Bluetooth is approx 10 meters. And Bluetooth has some major advantages. Very first advantage, Bluetooth can be connected either with laptop, either can be mobile. It can support on both devices. Second thing, Bluetooth is having more range either than infrared. Third difference, Bluetooth can cross the wall also. If you are sitting in this area, you have switched on your Bluetooth device, it can work outside the wall also. It can cover the whole distance also. That is the major advantage of Bluetooth. Afterward, next it is USB. The full form of USB is Universal Serial Bus. What is the meaning of Universal Serial Bus? All three words have different meanings. Bus is the technology that will transfer the data from one device to another device. Like when you will open the CPU. In CPU, a number of cables are there inside CPU on motherboard. Any cable that will help to transfer data is known as bus. And what is the meaning of serial? That will transfer data in a sequential order, in sequence. It means if 16-bit data is there, first bit, second bit, third bit, all will go in sequence. That why it is known as serial device. And why it is known as universal? The reason is that USB can support up to 72 types of devices. We can connect different types of 72 devices. Either it is keyboard, either mouse, either printer, scanner, webcam, memory card, any type of device that is in the USB port form that can be connected. That's why it is universal. It is common for all devices. Now no need for specific device for keyboard, no need for specific device for mouse. Only common device will work. Either you are connecting your external hard disk, that will also work with USB port. That's why it is known as universal, common for all. Approximately how many devices can connect? 72 different type of devices. Either webcam you are using, it will also work in the same port. Next is AGP. The full form is accelerated graphics code. What is the use of AGP? As the name suggests, that is used as a graphics purpose. In other name, we can speak that it is a graphics card. When we are playing any 3D game, any video game on your computer system, we need the high quality graphics. And for requirement of high quality graphics, we need a graphics card. If we are having graphics card, we need to insert on a computer system. For connecting on a computer, we need a particular location, and that location is known as AGP. That port name is known as AGP, where we can insert the graphics card inside the CPU. And graphics card can be of different size, like 1 GB graphics card, 2 GB graphics card. It depends upon the user which will fulfill the requirement of user. Because if a photographer is using the graphics card, then he needs high quality. If a general user is using, then it can work in 1 GB or 2 GB also. So AGP is a port that is existing on a motherboard that will help to connect graphics card with your computer system. That is AGP. Afterward, multimedia port. Multimedia ports are used to connect the audio video devices, connect the speakers, connect the recorder, connect the headphone. These are having 3 ports. Middle port is used for speaker, red one port is used for recording, and third one is used for specially to show the videos. If you want to display the specific video, in that case this port can be used. Multimedia ports are used to connect the audio and video devices. Generally we are connecting speaker in the middle port, and the color of middle port is that is green. Green port is always used for connecting the speaker. One more port I am telling you, that is network port. That is used to connect the network interface card, NIC, network interface card. And what is the use of NIC port? It will help to connect the internet connection with your computer system. When you are connecting the particular cable in your inside the CPU, which port we are using? That is like a telephone cable port. This port is known as network port, in which we can connect the device for the purpose of connecting with the internet connection. So these such ports are available in computer system. If you are having any problem, you can ask me right now only. If you want to ask any other port, if you are having in your mind any other port, you can ask about that also. So it's your query session now afterwards.